Hello dear students, welcome to the channel Pharma Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to discuss about the topic antibiotics, which is a part of medicinal chemistry 3. Here is the definition of antibiotics. Antibiotics are the chemical substances produced by the living organisms, generally a microorganism, that fight the bacterial infections in people as well as in the animals also. They work by killing or preventing the growth of disease-causing microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. Examples of some antibiotics are penicillins, streptomycin, tetracyclines, etc. Beta-lactam antibiotics. These are broad class of antibiotics which contain a beta-lactam nucleus in their molecular structure. Beta-lactam ring ante em ledandi, it is a lactam ring with heteroatomic ring structure. Heteroatomic ring structure ante a cyclic compound contains different atoms. The beta-lactam ring consisting of 3 carbons and 1 nitrogen. Classification of beta-lactam antibiotics. Beta-lactam antibiotics are categorized into 2 types. First one is based on the presence of structural moiety. Based on the presence of structural moiety, beta-lactam compounds are categorized into 4 types. First one is the saturated member rings, second one unsaturated 5-member rings, third one unsaturated 6-member rings, and fourth one is the beta-lactams not fused to any other rings. So here we should discuss about the difference between saturated and unsaturated compounds. So saturated compounds lo carbon ki madhya only single bonds untai. Those are termed as saturated compounds. In the unsaturated compounds, we observe the double bonds between the carbon atoms. Here the saturated 5-member rings contains only the single bonds between the carbon atoms. Examples of those are penums, carbapenums and oxapenums, and they contain 5-member ring in their structure along with the beta-lactam ring. And second one is the unsaturated 5-member rings, and they contain double bond between 2 carbon atoms, and they also have a 5-member ring attaches with the beta-lactam ring. Examples of these are penums and carbapenums. And third one is the unsaturated 6-member rings. Those contain carbon atoms. So second category, they are based on their mechanism of action. Beta-lactams are categorized into 4 types: penicillins, cephalosporins, carbapenums and monobactams. The penicillins are again divided into 2 types: natural penicillins and semi-synthetic penicillins. Examples of natural penicillins is penicillin V and penicillin G. Examples of semi-synthetic penicillins are ampicillin and amoxicillin. Next, the second one is the cephalosporins. They are categorized into 5 types according to their generations. So first generation involves cefapyrin, cefazolin, cefadoxil, and second generation involves cefiroxime, cefaclor, cefaxetine and cefmetazole. The third generation involves cefotaxime, cefixime, cefodoxime and cefoperazole. The fourth generation involves cefepime. The fifth generation involves ceftaroline and ceftobiprole. The carbapenums involves imipenum, meropenum, atrapenum, and monobactams, they involves edstrionum.